All right, next up I want to talk about webcams and data collection. So the new software has the ability to collect webcam video. It doesn't yet collect the audio, but we're working on that. We thought we'd release what we have, and then later on when the audio is available, we'll release it as well as a free update. So here in this image you can see I have two webcams connected. One is pointed at my computer, and the other one is pointed at me. We also have 3 DRT devices that are all plugged in. So this allows us to synchronously record video during an experiment. So to show you how this works, we're going to go ahead and create an experiment name. And this is new experiment. And we're going to create. This folder works for me. Select folder. And now we see overlaid in my video we have new experiment. This is nice so that when you're looking at video frames, you have the context of the experiment, the time the experiment was recorded, the state of the experiment. This is the block number, a key flag, and the frames per second that we're collecting. This data is overlaid and recorded in each video. In the future, we may augment this information a little bit and allow users to toggle in and out different bits of information. But for now, it's fixed and it works well. So we can also change things about the camera up here, like the resolution. Of course, I won't let me change it right now because I'm actually recording this video. We can limit the frames per second. If we find that our computer can't keep up, we could slow things down quite a bit. Or if we find that we're just taking up too much of our hard drive, we can save every other frame, or 1 frame a second, whatever it be. We can also change whether or not the video has an overlay at all. Okay. When we enter a key flag, here I pushed E, notice what happens on the video, E pops up. Okay, so we can start an experiment here, or pause it. Start it. Notice when we play an experiment, it says running, pause, it says stop. Okay. That way we have a little bit of context for every video. Okay, we're going to collect some data. You'll see the DRT devices will now start pulling in response times, but since there's nobody here to respond to them, they'll all be -1, which indicates a miss, with 0 clicks. Here, I'll make a click or two just for fun. Oh, there it is. Okay. Push pause on that. Post a note for good measure. A note. And in. Alright, let's look at the data. Open last saved file location. We can see here we have a couple of videos. This is the first one. Two minutes and 16 seconds of me yammering on. And here's the second one. 2 minutes of 16 seconds of me taking a picture of me yammering on and moving my mouse around quite a bit. Let's see here in a minute. I'm going to record something with my finger as I, oh, there it is. I grabbed the response button, clicked a few responses on my DRT. Now we saw the data came in. So sometimes, of course, video, we don't need to tell you all this, but there's a lot of power to video in disambiguating things during an experiment. And now we have the ability to collect video simultaneously with data. The video is time-stamped as it comes in. And you can collect video from any number of devices, any number of webcams, simultaneously with any number of Red Scientific devices. It doesn't change the data output in any way and provides additional data, video data, to help you better understand what's going on in your experiment. And that's all I have for this video. Stay tuned for the next one.